Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I'm Mandy. Today we are making a special fried rice, 辣妹炒饭. Chao fan is fried rice in Cantonese. 辣妹 means cured meat. The reason I say it's special is because when winter comes, Cantonese people will start curing meat. If you live in Guangdong, China, you'll see lots of people hanging bacon, sausage, chicken, duck, even fish on their balcony. This fried rice is packed with umami flavors from the cured meat. It is so delicious that I always crave it during the winter. Let's get started.
This is Cantonese sausage, also known as lapchen. Cut it with a 45-degree angle into thin slices. It looks like the skinny version of salami, but the taste is quite different. Slightly sweet and savory. Also, you cannot eat Cantonese sausage raw. It has to be cooked for safety purpose.
If you cannot find this ingredient, you can use other types of sausage or make your own. I do have a demo video for that. The link is right here.
Next is the Cantonese cured pork belly, aka la yo. It comes with the skin. We have to remove that because it's very tough. Cut the pork belly into thin slices. If you can't find this ingredient, you can use bacon as a replacement, but pick the maple syrup or honey flavor because Cantonese cured meat is always slightly sweet.
If you are interested in learning how to make your own Cantonese lak yo, you can let me know in the comment below. If there is a good demand, I'll consider making it.
Crack 2 eggs. Whisk them really well until you don't see any obvious egg white. This is Chinese broccoli, also known as gailan. Separate the leaf and the stem because they take different time to cook through. Dice the stem part into thin rounds. Roughly cut the leaves. You can also use asparagus, green beans, or broccolini as a replacement. 4 pieces of dried shiitake mushroom. I already soaked them 2 hours in advance. Now they are nice and soft. Squeeze the water out and save the soaking liquid. We will use that later. Slice the mushrooms thinly. If you don't have dried shiitake mushroom, you can use fresh ones or dehydrate your own. I'll link the demo video right here. Here is 2 cloves of garlic and 2 scallions that I finally diced. Now we have everything ready. Let's start cooking. Turn the heat to medium-low. Don't need to add oil. Just directly toss in the Cantonese sausage, cured pork belly, and shiitake mushrooms. These 3 ingredients need to be sautéed for a few minutes to activate the aroma. In a couple of minutes, the sausage and the cured pork belly should be slightly translucent. Don't overcook them because they do burn quickly as they have a pretty high sugar content. Turn the heat to high, push everything to the side. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Depending on how fatty your cured meat is, you may need more or less oil here. Pour in the egg. Quickly stir and break it up into small little pieces. Add the gailan stem, garlic, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mushroom soaking liquid. Not only does the steam help to cook the vegetable faster, but it also protects the egg, cured pork belly, and sausage so they don't dry out. Stir until most of the water is evaporated. Push everything to the side and add the day-old cooked rice. Keep the heat on high and stir this for a couple of minutes. When you see that some of the rice grains are dancing and jumping in the wok, add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce and half teaspoon of sugar. Throw in the leafy part of the gailan. Keep mixing until all the greens are wilted. Toss in some diced scallions. Look at that! The rice came out so fluffy. All the grains are separated individually. The cured meat provides lots of umami flavor and made this fried rice authentic and unique. The slight tartness from the gailan balanced all the savory taste perfectly.
I hope you give this a try soon. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Wok. This is the wok that I'm selling, and I am proud to recommend it to you as I have been using it on my channel for years. It is lightweight and it responds to heat changes quickly and evenly. It can also sustain the super high temperature without damage. Perfect for wok cooking. If you like Chinese food and you want to learn how to make it at home better than takeout, you definitely need one of these, as it is the most basic cookware in Chinese cuisine. The link is in the description. Go check it out. By the way, we just relaunched this wok in UK because last year we weren't able to ship to UK anymore after Brexit. Now you can buy it again. It's free shipping and custom fees included. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!